David Cinelli here, Realtor with Royal LePage Signature. Today's home tip is to cover your bare floors. What do I mean by that? Well, as you know, it's pretty common nowadays. It's not common. What's the word I'm looking for? It's more not the rage. It's more in vogue. That's the word I'm looking for. To have hard surfaces for your floors, whether it's stone concrete floors. I've seen nice polished concrete, laminate or luxury vinyl planks, hardwood floors, tiles, etc. We don't see a lot of homes when you walk in on the main floor having a lot of carpet, which is understandable. Hard surfaces are more durable, they're easier to clean. But if it comes to for your home tip, in the wintertime, believe it or not, you do lose a lot of heat with those harder surfaces. As you can imagine, think about when you're going to bed at night. Sometimes you'll still see like a second floor story homes will still have carpet because when it gets cold outside, and the first thing you want to do when you wake up in the morning is you don't want to put your feet on cold floors. And let's be honest, we're here in Canada. Our floors are always going to be cold in the winter. So in order to combat that and to help your heating bills, a good idea to do is put down a lot of area rugs. As it gets colder, it should be part of your checklist to put down more rugs. I know you see a lot of houses nowadays that there are certain rugs that are strategically placed here and there that stagers like my wife use, but we're talking more for practical purposes. If you're finding that your floor is still kind of cold and it's not really, you're increasing your average utility bills, think about putting more carpet strategically placed throughout the home so therefore your feet can stay warmer and you're not spending so much money on those utility bills. I hope you like this tip. If you have any tips you want me to share in the next upcoming weeks, what I am trying to do is trying to make sure that we're giving you tips in the wintertime because here in Canada it gets cold. So if you have any home tips for the wintertime, please feel free to reach out. I'd love to hear from you. Have a great day. Bye for now.